All right, so for this exercise, we were creating a template for the About page. So let's go through how we would do that now. So the first thing we would want to do is create a template for that page. So we already have the movies templates, movies folder set up in our index file, but we can create another file and call this about.html. You could have called this whatever you like. Here we can add some HTML. So we can call this, or you could put in here, again, whatever you'd like. I will just say H1 and I'll say I like action movies. You can put in whatever movies you like. So we have the template set up, a very basic template, but the point here is just to get familiar with templates, URLs, and views. So we have the template. Now we need to create a view so Django knows when to return that template. So we'll call this about. You could have called this function whatever you'd like. It takes in the request, and then we will return. We'll use this render function again. And the first thing it takes is that request that we took into the function up here. The second thing is the name of the template. So we will say movies/about.html. This would be whatever you called this file. And then we could, but we don't have to, pass in an empty dictionary, an empty context dictionary, like so. So we have the view set up and we have the template set up. Now we need to set up the URL so it knows when to run this function. So we can go to our project urls.py file, come down here to URL patterns, and we can duplicate this path to our home route. We can make it so the path is about. You could have said anything here like about me, but if I can type, but I'll just keep it as about. And then we don't want to return the index function, the index view. We want to return that about view. So we need to import that like so. So perfect. This should be all set up. If we go and make sure our server is still running and then go to our browser, refresh that, that's our home route. If we go to /about or whatever URL you had set up, it should say I like action movies or I like whatever types of movies you like. Awesome. So hopefully you were able to complete that exercise. If not, no worries, because we're going to continue to dive into templates. So by the end, you'll be a pro.